Welcome back to this video. If you have been importing products from China with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see how to simply ship goods from China to Ghana with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taoba, or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China without any stress using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply ship goods from China to Ghana with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Pinduoduo shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for the particular product you would like to ship from China with Pinduoduo shopping app. There are so many ways to do that. One of the first ways to come to the top right here, click on here. When you click on here, then you can simply type in the product name you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for shoes. So simply type shoes and click on search. So in a few seconds, you are going to see similar shoes that is going to pop up on your screen, just like what you see right here. Alternatively, you can simply go back and make use of this camera icon right here. What you need to do is to simply click on the camera icon, then upload the picture of the exact product you are looking for. You are going to see a similar result. It's as simple as that. So once you are able to find a product you want to ship from China with Pinduoduo, next thing you need to do is to add the product to cart. After you have successfully added the product to cart, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here to visit your cart. So I'm going to click on here and it's going to take me right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here to open up the product from our cart. Just like so. So I have the product right here. This product is what I'm going to make a purchase. And for me to make a purchase, what we want to do is to simply click on here to select the product. Having selected the goods, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, there are so many ways by which you can make payment on Pinduoduo. But in this tutorial, I'm going to make use of Alipay. As you can see right here, my Alipay is checked. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to enter my payment password. So payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on done right here. Then I'm going to simply click on here to close this pump up. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply go back to my profile. So by the time we get back to my profile, the product is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So it's as simple as that. So you can see the product right here. So as soon as possible for the supplier, they will ship the product from their warehouse to my shipping company warehouse in China. Then from there, the shipping company will consolidate all the parcel and send it to Ghana without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to ship from China to Ghana with Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China to any part of the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.